existed.
1.5 cups all-purpose flour. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon baking soda. My whisk is burnt. Whisk that together.
3/4 cup brown sugar. Half a cup granulated sugar. Whiskey business. Half cup of melted butter and 1 egg. Plus 1 egg yolk.
2.5 teaspoons of vanilla that I forgot to film again.
Now that's what I like to see. Flour mixture, but just half of it first.
Mix till combined.
And add the rest of that bad boy. Mix, but be gentle. 6 ounces of chocolate. Chop it up.
Should look something like this.
Chocolate in.
Sure, it's a little chocolate. Got a problem with that?
Fold together. Plastic wrap.
Chill in fridge about 20 minutes.
The oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Baking sheet, parchment paper.
Scoop cookies with an ice cream scoop, leaving lots of space. Bake 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown.
A little bit of flaky salt. Let them cool. That cookie break, you know? That
Is how a cookie should look.
Homemade donuts are probably easier than you think to make and insanely delicious, way better than Dunkin' Donuts or any other store. 4th cup of warm water and 2 packets of yeast, 1.5 cups of milk, 5 tablespoons butter, 2 eggs, 4th cup sugar, 2 teaspoons salt, and milk and butter mix, 5 1/4 cups of flour. Mix until it comes together into a ball of dough. Knead for about 5 minutes until smooth. Place the dough into a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise for about an hour. After it rises, roll it out until it is about this thick. Take a 3-inch cookie cutter, place it down here, press it down, and take a little 1/2-inch cookie cutter, place it right in the middle. 1/2 cups of powdered sugar, add in a 4th cup of cocoa powder, and slowly add in milk until it looks like this. After 30 more minutes, it will rise to look like this. Fry the donuts for around 2 to 3 minutes per side. Flip it over and cook it on the other side. Once your donuts are all fried, take your donut, dip it into that chocolate mixture, lift it up, top it with some rainbow sprinkles. Because why not? Check out how insanely delicious that looks. All right, let's give it a try. Wow, that is seriously better than any donut you'll ever buy in any store because it's homemade. Click that plus button for more recipes.
Let's make cheesecake with raspberry sauce. Get some graham crackers. Get your processor. Add 4 little packages of graham crackers and crush them. Add in half a stick of melted butter and combine. Put the graham in your pan, both of them. Press it in. Perfect. Then bake for 10 minutes. Baked. Now get a bowl. We're doing this by hand, kids. And put in 1, 2, 3, and 4 packages of cream cheese. Room temp. Add in a cup of sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1 cup of sour cream. Combine till smooth. Smooth. Now get 6 eggs and use 2 whole and 4 yolks. Combine and then add to your mixture. And then combine that. Combined and perfect. Prep a water bath. Super hot water. Fill your pans. Boop. Then bake at 325 for 40 minutes. Baked. And the other. Then let it chill in the fridge. Chilled. Add your raspberry sauce. And yes, it's delicious.
Let me show you how to make these insanely delicious cookies with only 6 ingredients that you probably already have in the house. 1 cup chunky peanut butter into the bowl. 1 egg. 3/4 cup sugar. Add in about a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And mix. Oh my god, I just got sugar everywhere. Alright, I'll clean this up later. Let's just keep mixing. Next up, you're going to take some of the dough, roll it into a ball, and place it on your cookie sheet. To give it the iconic shake, take your fork and make the indents. Grab some molten salt and do a little salt bay action to get some salt on top of the cookies. Now pop in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for 10 minutes. Look at how good these look. All right, let's let them cool, and then we're going to dip them in some chocolate. All right, I'm going to take each cookie and I'm going to coat them in chocolate, but only half. How insanely delicious do these look? All right, let's give it a try. So easy, so delicious. You can literally make it right now. Click that plus button for more recipes.
Okay, everyone keeps asking, you want cinnamon rolls? I'll give you the best you've ever had.
half a cup of milk. About 98 degrees Fahrenheit. 2.5 teaspoons of instant yeast. Give that a little mix. Let that sit 10 minutes.
3 cups of all-purpose flour.
3 tablespoons of sugar. Half a teaspoon of salt. Add your milk and yeast mixture. 2 room temperature eggs. 2.5 tablespoons of water. Mix for 5 minutes. 3.5 tablespoons unsalted butter. 5 more minutes.
Shape that into a ball. Grease bowl in wet towel.
1.5 hours. Or until doubled, mad thick.
You're going to punch it down. Flour work surface. Your dough out.
Half a cup dark brown sugar. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon.
Mix that up. Flour the top. Roll your dough into an 18-inch rectangle. Melted butter. Put on your sugar mixture. Rolling it up. Your dough into 9 equal pieces.
Evenly spaced apart.
Wet towel 30 minutes.
In the oven. Make it 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
20 to 25 minutes.
Let them cool to room temp. Just glaze those buns. Oh yeah. Yes. Glazed top, caramelized bottom. This
is how you make the greatest.
Let's make creme Brulee. Woo! Get a bowl. Get your eggs. Separate 8 yolks from the whites and put in your bowl. Save the whites for later. Add in 1 cup of sugar and whisk. Whisk it good until it's light and fluffy. Now get a pot. Medium heat. Add in 4 cups of heavy cream. La 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 la. Now get a vanilla bean. It's a little flavor snake. Slice it in half. Look at those seeds. Let it steep in your cream. All the vanilla. When your cream is at a simmer, take it off the heat and temper your egg mixture. Perfect. Now strain your mixture and put it back on the heat. And don't stop whisking. You know it's done when the spoon looks like this. Oven at 350. Place your ramekins in a water bath. Fill them up and bake. Cooked. Refrigerate till set. Once chilled, top with an even layer of sugar and torch. Perfect. Top with berries and whipped cream. And yes, it is delicious.
It flooded last night, it's cold, I'm tired of people using box mixed hot chocolate, let's go! It takes like 5 ingredients. 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of cream. See, now we're gonna make our own mix. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. Secret ingredient, small pinch of salt, very small. Look at this cute little whisk. Give that a good little mix. Small pot. Get that mixture in there. Milk and cream. I forgot to film that, but it's in there, whoops. On the stovetop, medium heat, nice and gentle. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and then just heat this, mixing occasionally, until hot and dissolved, 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure it's good. Looks pretty hot to me. Pour your hot boy, oh, I spilled a little, whipped cream. A little dollop of whipped cream. Piece de resistance. Shaved chocolate. Lot of shaved chocolate. Now, you know, I would say the cold just isn't so bad anymore.